A lot of people don't know where tea comes from. It's almost like not knowing where you come from, where your origin is, what country you were born. They think that tea are just some leaves that they get plucked and now they have it served at their convenience, drinking it at their home. So the name of this plant, the mother of all tea, I would say, is called the Camellia sinensis. And this is pretty much responsible for a lot of history, a lot of people's jobs, so many people's well-being. It's a huge economy. I mean, this is the most consumed drink next to water. So the question now is, where can we find the Camellia sinensis? Like, where does it grow? Where is the home to this special plant? Well, it actually has a few homes around the world. There are a few countries which are well known to produce and cultivate this plant, thanks to its region, the climate, topography, and terroir. I'll name a few. We have China, which is the birthplace of tea, and they produce quite a rich and extensive range. And then you have India, which is known for Darjeeling, Nilgiri, Assam. We also have Sri Lanka, known to specialize in the Ceylon tea, which gives off a very distinct flavor. And then when you have Japan, very well known for green tea, the matcha, sencha, gyokuro, hojicha. And then you have Taiwan, which specializes in quite a range of high quality oolong. When it comes to black tea, we also have Kenya and Turkey, which all produce their own special black tea. And not to forget, we have the Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia. All these countries are great hosts and home to growing the Camellia sinensis. So the conditions, the environment, the mountains, the rainfall, all contribute to the growth of this tea plant. Now, the Camellia sinensis isn't the only tea plant out there. It's probably the most popular source, but we also have a few other tea plants which I think we should give a shout out to. So first we have the Aspalathus linearis, also known as the rooibos. Now this is native to South Africa, and you probably know this as well as the red bush tea. And then we have the yerba mate, which is very popular and native to South Americans. This plant is known as the Felix paraguayensis. Hope I said that correctly. You see a lot of footballers drink this. And then we have the herbal teas like the chamomile and the peppermint, which do not derive from the Camellia sinensis. But overall, the Camellia sinensis would be the major player here, responsible for most of the tea that we have on the marketplace. All the black, green, white, and oolong teas. So yeah, just thought we should give credit to the special plant and unsung hero of the world. Hope you found this one helpful, educational, know a little bit about the origins of tea itself. If you enjoyed this, make sure you check out my other videos here to see how you can use tea to optimize your life. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys on the next one.